Hello friends, I am Guna Mathivanan, Current Affairs faculty at Officers IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 83rd Current Affairs headless topic, that is regarding phosphine. So what is this phosphine? This phosphine is a gas which is released by some bacteria. Because of some microbial activity, this gas is released. This phosphine is a bioindicator. That means presence of phosphine, it indicates there is a presence of microbial activity in that area. In earth, phosphines are produced by some bacteria in anaerobic condition, oxygen starved condition. In the absence of oxygen, certain bacteria, they produce this phosphine. This phosphine is used as a fumigant in agriculture, it is used in chemical weapons, it is used in manufacturing electronics in semiconductor industries as well. This phosphine was recently in news because researchers have found presence of phosphine in Venus. We know Venus, which is called as Earth's twin, which is filled with thick toxic gases. The atmosphere of Venus is filled with thick toxic gases. You have a large amount of carbon dioxide in the Venus. In 2011, it was found that Venus also has ozone. It has oxygen molecules, it has ozone. So phosphine's presence was seen in Venus. But friends, you have to remember, this phosphine will be readily destroyed by oxygen molecules. When phosphine is produced, if you have oxygen in that place, then oxygen molecules will readily react with phosphine and phosphine will be destroyed. So Venus has oxygen molecules, so if phosphine is produced, then the phosphine would have been readily destroyed. But however, researchers even today they find a considerable amount of phosphine present in Venus. That means it indicates maybe there is some microbial activity which is going on in Venus, which is continuously producing phosphine. Because whenever phosphine is produced, oxygen will readily react and it will destroy the phosphine. But since even today we are seeing presence of considerable amount of phosphine in Venus, that means maybe there could be some microbial activity which is going on in Venus that continuously produces phosphine. So this makes us to think whether Venus can hold life forms, right? But however, with certainty we cannot say that the phosphine in Venus is because of microbial activity. But we already said phosphine is a bioindicator. So which makes researchers to think whether Venus has microbial or life activity, whether Venus is able to have some life forms. In that dimension, researchers are thinking. That is why it was in news, right? So I have given some information about Venus. In 2011, European Space Agency Venus Express, which found the presence of ozone, some additional point to you. So scientists have detected traces of phosphine in Venus that indicates microbes may inhabit the Earth's neighbor. About phosphine, I said it's a highly toxic compound. Some microbes during biochemical processes, it is producing this phosphine, right? So it is used as a chemical weapon in World War I. It is used in agricultural fumigant manufacturing process. It is used in semiconductor industries. Alright. So still researchers, they have estimated that phosphine forms about 20 parts per billion of Venus atmosphere. However, it is too early to conclude that life exists beyond Earth shores, but still on this dimension researchers are thinking now. That is why it was in news. So India's mission to Venus by 2024, we are planning to send an orbiter to Venus, that is Shukrayaan-1. So some challenges in probing Venus, it has high surface temperature, dense atmosphere and presence of sulfuric acid that makes the probe to be very difficult, right? Because it has a highly corrosive environment, right? So some value addition about Venus I have provided here. So based on our discussion, I have given a question, find out the right answer and given the comment section. I hope you like this video series. So here I have given the details of my exclusive current affairs program, online current affairs program. Recorded videos will also be given to you. You can watch it according to your convenience. Apart from that, 1300 MCQs, current affairs MCQs, high quality MCQs will be given along with this course. There will be exclusive budget economic survey classes as well. If you have any doubt, you can call to the number given here. Alright, you can download this presentation by clicking the link in the description box. I hope the video was informative. Tomorrow I will meet you with a similar interesting topic. Till then, bye, take care.